Established in 1977, Mackie Automatic Manual Transmissions has continually invested in the state-of-the-art machinery necessary to produce the highest quality automatic and manual transmissions. We have been pioneers and leaders in the field of transmission remanufacture, overhaul and repair for over 40 years. Our staff of over 25 highly skilled engineers, the majority of which have over 20 years service experience each, are proud of our modern facility and sophisticated equipment. If it's work on a torque converter that you need, our in-house engineering department use the same equipment as Ford and General Motors to remanufacture torque converters on site, allowing us to ensure a high-quality product with a quick turnaround time. Our CNC machines allow us to manufacture improved components that are otherwise unavailable. At Mackie, we offer a complete range of services for transmissions, torque converters and transfer boxes, from remanufacture, repair and servicing to intelligent diagnostics, programming and removing and refitting. Taking care of your transmission is key to the longevity of any vehicle. Ignoring minor problems can lead to bigger, more expensive headaches in the future. Our team can offer expert advice and long-lasting repair solutions. So, whether you need a minor repair or full recondition, visit us today.